the spine of the scapula, so above, meaning supraspinatus, below the spine of the scapula, infraspinatus.
Yes.
I hated the Ohio because the Ohio kids got in-state tuition.
She ready?
Yeah, I'm sweating.
Deep breaths, everybody. Don't be nervous. Oof.
Gonna start at the base of your neck here.
Did you need water?
Yeah, I usually cover it up.
Ooh.
Deep ache there.
Yeah.
Feel that one?
Yeah, that one was spicy.
This is.
Ooh. I felt that twitch a little bit.
There's a box of needles in the.
Yeah, that was my next task. So there wasn't enough like shelf of one. Now there is.
Ooh.
That was a big twitch.
I know.
Let's see if we can go at that trigger point at different angles there. Right around this area is like really where that trigger point is. You good with those so far?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do one more. I like that supraspinatus upper trap.
Is it bothering you?
Ooh. Oh, that was the one. I don't know why I feel that.
You felt that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you're just gonna hang out for 10 minutes.
All right, thank you.